Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BaseXchange token. Ticker symbol is BEX. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain, even though it's the name Base, which is its own chain, the Coinbase chain. Even though the name Base is in the name, this is on the Binance Smart Chain, this token, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 24th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the BaseXchange token is pioneering a multi-chain platform revolutionizing decentralized trading. And this token is being listed tomorrow on MEXC Global at exactly 14 hours UTC time, January 24th. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and you would search BEX1 and then simply just buy the token. Now, why you'd search BEX1 on MEXC is there's been many other tokens with the ticker symbol BEX, so they don't want you to get confused. I do remember actually doing a video recently on a BRC exchange token with the ticker symbol BEX, so maybe that's why, which is strange because that one's also an exchange starting with B, very similar ticker symbols. They should have probably picked a different ticker symbol, but whatever. So check out that video, by the way, if you haven't seen that one on the BRC exchange, ticker symbol BEX. But this is the BaseXchange. Now, they have a wide following already. If you go to their Telegram at base_exchange, they have 28,130 Telegram members. 331 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion about this project and learn more. It says, unleash the power of BaseXchange, trade, earn, and thrive in a world of decentralized finance. And on their Telegram, they have a full link tree that you could check out. It's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. If you look at their BSC scan, it says 9 holders. There's no PancakeSwap transactions as of yet, so this token is not even available on PancakeSwap yet. There's 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 1 billion BEX tokens. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put up right here as usual, 19,100 Twitter followers, just joined in June 2023, at base_exchange, blue verified checkmark, and 36 tweets so far. One of their most recent tweets here is their MEXC Global listing announcement, and then they also have, partnership announcements, like they just became partners with AI Bit, and so you could check out, there's another one there, Celeste Loan, another partnership, so all sorts of different partnerships they're announcing here on their Twitter, so check those out. Now on their webpage, if you go to baseexchange.finance, there is a full white paper, and there's also an app that you could launch as well. So welcome to a BaseXchange, where innovation meets decentralized trading. Our platform offers speed, security, and user-friendly features, revolutionizing the way you engage with digital assets. Join us in reshaping the future of trading. So how to start with BaseXchange? Here are some simple steps to guide you through the BaseXchange. To get started, you'll need a special wallet that works with Base. You could use a MetaMask or a Coinbase wallet. Make sure you download the newest version, of course. So it shows you how to install the MetaMask extension, create and secure a wallet, add the Base network. Then it shows the RPC URL, the chain ID, currency symbol, block explorer, and then it says move your money to Base, and it has a link to the Base native bridge and the multi-chain bridge, and you can find all this at docs.basexchange.finance. Then we get to what this is here. So it says unlocking new possibilities with BaseXchange, your gateway to decentralized trading. The revolutionary frontier of decentralized trading where innovation intertwines with user-centered design to deliver an unparalleled experience. Our suite of meticulously crafted products empowers both veteran traders and newcomers, setting a new standard for speed, security, and accessibility in the world of digital assets. Navigating the BaseXchange universe, it says discover our suite of solutions. The BaseXchange ecosystem unfolds a realm of possibilities for traders, enthusiasts, and pioneers in decentralized finance. Immerse yourself in a new era of trading experiences where every facet is meticulously designed to empower, elevate, and enrich your journey. Explore our range of innovative solutions from liquidity provision to novel farming methods, all underpinned by pillars of security, speed, and accessibility. Join us in shaping the future of decentralized finance, one trade at a time. Now, their products are listed on here, and it says BaseXchange operates as an automated liquidity protocol and runs on the Base blockchain. It uses smart contracts, unchangeable computer programs to handle transactions and liquidity without needing middlemen. This approach prioritizes features like decentralization, resistance, and censorship, and strong security. So BaseXchange started as a modification of PancakeSwap v2, another automated market maker protocol. Think of it as a sibling. They share a lot, but some differences too. Being an open source project, BaseXchange invites others to help improve it. The cool thing about BaseXchange is that it ensures fair trades and encourages people to supply funds to liquidity pools. That helps maintain the balance between tokens. Instead of relying on big exchanges, you can take control of your assets more securely. So they have a list of their products on here, and you can go through each one about how they work if you go to their document section, which is on their webpage. So they have the swap, they have the liquidity pool, staking, spot trading, futures, binary, and launchpad. So their tokenomics are on here as well, and it says here there's a maximum supply of 1 billion tokens. How it's split up, 9% went to seed round, 3% KOLs, 6% public, 11% reserve and treasury, 5% advisors, 28% ecosystem, 20% liquidity, 10% team, 5% marketing, 3% airdrops, and community. Then we have the roadmap on here, starting with project inception, grow the team members, conceptualize planning. Their roadmap's kind of cut off there. Let me try to find it here. Well, they have lots of partners on their page here as well. Yeah, for some reason their roadmap is cut off on their document section, but let me open it up here in a different browser. So, yeah, I'm guessing that they will come out with a token on the BaseXchange, on the Base blockchain, but as of right now, they just have one on Binance Smart Chain. I would guess it goes cross-chain in the future, though. Okay, so it starts with project inception, grow team members, and then we got build community, prototype development, seed raise, massive marketing, public sale, smart contract generation, token generation event, beta launch of the decentralized exchange, launch the staking and farming, And then we got more decentralized exchange, V2 launch, spot future binary trading, launchpad, new listing, and improvement of the platform. And that is basically about it. So go check this token out as of tomorrow on MEXC Global. So check out all the referral codes down there if you don't have an MEXC account. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.